Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Blazer. This Blazer is featured in a black paint finish and is the True North trim. It includes our heated leather bucket seats in the front, as well as a bench seat, also finished in leather in the back. We have our Bose premium sound system, forward collision alert, our surround view camera, a powered liftgate, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, as well as much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, and power windows. The bottom, some storage, as well as our powered liftgate, and our Bose speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have display cluster lighting and exterior lighting, as well as our electronic parking brake. We have a power driver's seat finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have a digital information system. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings on the outside and our forward collision alert on the right. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, as well as the controls for our display cluster information system. Moving just to the right of the steering wheel, push to start ignition, auto stop start, and our hazard lights. Then we have our infotainment system. If we go into audio and more, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth inputs. Have a phone connection, our navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Wi-Fi hotspot. If we click our camera, we have our surround view camera with front and rear adaptive guidelines. Also have Sirius XM and My Chevrolet. Across the bottom, we have our home hotkey, seek tracks, volume control and back, glove box open and traction control on the right of our infotainment, heated driver and passenger seat on either side of our dual zone climate. Can control the temperature through our outside knobs on either side. Can open and close the fan in the center. And we have our fan controls and front and rear defrost. USB-C and USB in the middle. Storage space, as well as a leather finished shifter. 2 cup holders. Park sensors, lane keep assist, and all of our drive mode select. With some storage. Going back and looking at our key, we have our locks and unlocks, remote start, powered liftgate, and our alarm system. Opening into the center console, you can see we have some deep storage. Green sticker is our 12-volt plug, SD slot, USB-C, and a USB input. Moving to the passenger seat, it's also finished in our jet black leather, heated and powered for the passenger. We have our fully digital rear view mirror. We can adjust our zoom level as well as our brightness on it. Above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar buttons, dome lights on either side, dome light controls at the front, universal garage door opener with our 3 settings, and lastly, our sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the Blazer, moving to our front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bowtie center cap. Moving out, we have our paint match mirrors with an integrated turn signal, as well as paint match keyless entry door handles. All the way around at the back of the vehicle, you can see we have our black bowtie badging, as well as Blazer and all-wheel drive badging, also in black. We have dual exhaust tips, powered liftgate with our handle at the bottom. In the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have our all-season mats, as well as a 60/40 folding second row seat. You can fold these second row seats through either side in the back of the vehicle. Lifting up on our bottom cover, we have some storage underneath that we can lift at. You can see we have storage space in the back and on either side, as well as our full-size 5th tire. Also have storage on either outsides. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have our button on the left-hand side or a manual release on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage, and our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have storage pockets in the back of the driver's seat, as well as in the back of the passenger seat. 2 vents, a USB-C, USB, and a 120-volt plug for charging in the back of the vehicle. Moving to our seats in the second row, we have a 60/40 folding bench seat finished in our jet black leather. In the center seat, we have our 2 foldable cup holders. Lastly, we can fold these seats through our handle down the side in a 60/40 folding split. We can also fold them through the back of the vehicle, and we can make some additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Blazer. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.